egg. Ito egg. Egg kasi tayo muna. Nice. Very good. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and popped out of the egg. Came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. Ayun, caterpillar. Ito, ayun, parang ikaw. Ikaw yan, yung hungry lagi. Kasi ito is sun. Sun. Opo. Very good. Tingin siya. Very good. He started to look for some food. Ito si caterpillar. Si Riley yan eh. Oh, hungry yan lagi eh. Hungry yan. On Monday, he ate through one apple. But he was still hungry. Purong Riley. Ano ito apple? Apple. Apple. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. Parang ikaw. Parang Riley. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. 1, 2, 3. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he's still hungry. Parang ikaw. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nakatingin rin siya. Sinusundan niya rin yung
book. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he's still very hungry. Parang